This is your guide to creating a brand partnership label on your Instagram posts. The first thing you have to do is enable the paid partnership label. You'll go to your settings, and then you'll click creator or business if you have a business account, branded content, and set up branded content label. You'll enable this and press done. If you request approval from brand partners here, then the brand partner can accept your approval and you won't need their approval every single time you tag them in a branded post. You can also approve content creators ahead of time if they ever request you in a branded post. The next is to add a partnership to your existing post. You'll go to the post you want to add a partnership for, click the three dots, and press edit. You'll then go to the top and say add paid partnership label. Click brand partners, and then you'll search who you're trying to add. Once they come up, you'll click add and continue and next. Then you can see they've been added and you just press done. The next is to add a partnership to a new post. You'll create a new post as you normally would. Choose your photo or video, edit it, add your captions and your tags, everything you would normally do. And then you'll say add paid partnership label, add brand partners, and again type in the partner that you're wanting to add. You'll click add, continue, and next. You can also choose whether or not you want to allow the brand partner to boost your post. Toggle it on or off. Then you press done and you can see they've been added.